Welcome to Innovatosphere, your gateway to the future. If you're fascinated by groundbreaking technology, innovation, and everything shaping our world, then you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tech trends and discoveries. Now, let's dive into today's topic: artificial intelligence, a revolution or a risk? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer just science fiction. It's here, and it's transforming every aspect of our lives. From virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars and medical diagnosis systems, AI is reshaping industries and making life easier. One of AI's biggest advantages is automation. Repetitive tasks that once required human effort are now handled by machines, increasing efficiency and reducing human error. In healthcare, AI-powered systems help doctors detect diseases earlier and improve patient care. In finance, AI predicts market trends, assisting investors in making better decisions. Even in entertainment, AI-driven algorithms personalize your music playlists and movie recommendations.
But like any innovation, AI comes with challenges. One major concern is job displacement. As automation takes over tasks, many traditional jobs could disappear, forcing industries to adapt and workers to reskill. Another critical issue is data privacy. AI systems rely on vast amounts of personal data, raising questions about security and ethical concerns. Who controls this data? How is it being used? These are important discussions that need global attention. And let's not forget about bias in AI. Since AI learns from data provided by humans, it can sometimes adopt biases that exist in society, leading to unfair decisions in hiring, policing, and even lending.
Despite these concerns, it continues to evolve. With advancements in ethical AI, better regulations, and increased awareness, we can harness AI's power while minimizing risks. The key is balance, using AI to enhance human capabilities rather than replace them. So, what do you think? Will AI be our greatest ally, or are we creating something we can't control? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget, subscribe to Innovatosphere for more deep dives into the future of technology. Together, let's explore the innovations shaping tomorrow. See you in the next video.